All right, welcome to Kusadasi, Turkey. This is the ship. There's a bunch of ferries as well. Look how beautiful this port is. And it's really hot, so it's going to be a beautiful day. Look at how beautiful Kusadasi is. It's giving tropical, it's giving European, it's giving Turkish, it's giving everything. It's so nice. Look at the cruise ships behind me. I love the way the Kusadasi is written on the mountain there. Stunning. We just got out of the port and we just walked into their Global Portier official port shop, which is exactly like a Turkish market sort of vibe. So nice. Wow, look how beautiful these Turkish lights are. Look at how beautiful these are. These feel incredible. It's got this texture to it. So nice. Oh my God. There's some stuff that's €1. There's Turkish rugs here, jewellery, literally everything. But obviously here is super touristy prices. If anything, they actually accept euros, not lira. That is words to live by. This market here literally has everybody trying to get you to go into the store. This guy found out that I'm Australian, and then later on I was walking up and he goes, "Hey, come here, Aussie, come here." And I was like, I want not to be pressured to enter your store. But yeah, that's Turkey. Look at these Rolexes and Omegas and Cartier. Oh my God. 100% authentic, real, fake. And all these perfumes. Oh my God. Look at these hokas. Aren't they the most fakest looking hokas you've ever seen? Why is it like straight down? Look, she's making a Turkish rug by hand. How incredible. So we've walked away from where the markets are. Well, look at how beautiful this pathway is. The beautiful flowers, the trees, the water. Everything is so pretty. That's the cruise ship there, Voyager of the Seas. And this is the beautiful area. It's so nice, isn't it? So nice. Dad, what do you think of Kusadasi so far?
We landed at Kusadasi, Turkey this morning of Voyager of the Seas. And after breakfast, we strolled down to the local shops. What we found, the shopkeepers at Kusadasi are so pushy. They just want you to buy anything they can sell you. And the prices, like, they double up the prices, like, you know, they should be selling at the local prices. But once they see you as a tourist, they go like triple euro.
And they're doing euro,
and they think it's normal, like, you know. And they don't know we are just penny pinchers.
And obviously when in Turkey, we need to try a Turkish baklava. And look, they also have cookies that look really good. We just got into this marina area. Lots of restaurants, cafes, stores. And thankfully, everything here is now in lira and not in euros. Pearl's Turkish cousin. Look at you, you're so cute. Look, they have a Watson's here. I love this pharmacy. This one is all over Malaysia. I just got a strawberry drink from Barista Bus. 180 lira. Don't know how much that is, but it was really nice. We've come here to get some kunefe, so they've got some really good desserts. All right, we're at this cafe. We got some kunefe with some ice cream, and my dad got this dessert that's apparently like baklava, but not as sweet. So it's gonna be a good time. Yum. Grand Bazaar and I got these bookmarks. How beautiful are they? Oh my god, I've never seen such beautiful bookmarks before. So I'm on my way back to the ship and I just got my sea pass checked, but then I just walked in and there's like this whole bazaar of like duty-free shopping that I didn't realize was here. They have so much stuff, so much alcohol, little snacks, cigarettes, perfume, literally everything. I definitely feel like I'm at an airport. I've never seen a port with all of this right before you get back onto the ship. Crazy. But everything is in euro and not lira. And now the next stop is Voyager of the Seas. Tonight's dinner theme at the Windjammer is American, so I got some fried chicken, hot sauce, mac and cheese, mashed potato, and then I also have some vegetables. Obviously we need some help as well, but I'll show you the full menu over there, but everything is American, which is very cool.